Hello students, how are you? Today we are going to learn how to make a Gandhi mask. So pay attention please. These are the things that we need. First of all, we need a box. Do you have a box? A box. What else? Scissors. What else? A marker. Shoelace from your shoes or sneakers. A Tupperware like this one, a round Tupperware, and a cream recipient like this one, for example. So first of all, separate a piece of cardboard from the box like this one and use the Tupperware, the round Tupperware, to mark the head with the marker. Let me show you. I have an example here. Like this, okay? I used the Tupperware for marking the head. Yes. And the cream recipient for the ears and the eyes. Yes. Once that you have made this drawing or similar, start cutting with the scissors, okay? What do you think? Do you like it? You have to do it like this. Okay, now that you have Gandhi's face, we need to mark the eyes. So we are going to need something like this, a recipient like this. This one is big Vaporub for the eyes, okay? You can mark them with pencil, okay? Like this, and cut. Okay, I used an old cutter for doing this job, but you should ask your parents to help you because this is dangerous, okay? Ask your mother or your father or your brother or your sister, okay? But don't do it yourself, okay? So this is the final result. What do you think? Do you like it? Now use the scissors for making a hole here at the top of the ear. You see? Make one hole here and the other here. You can ask your parents to help you, okay? Once that you have the holes, let's use the shoelace. Yes. And let's make a knot. And the other here. Like this. And now we can use this as a mask. Okay?
Hello students, this is Mahatma Gandhi. Bye bye.